Welcome to the letter O. The sole quality of the letter O is sensitive truth-telling. Oh my, how often in self-righteous justification have you said, I only told the truth, when what you have really done is hurt someone irreparably with cold facts that are often not even closely related to truth-telling. The letter O, well drawn, insists that you speak to the indwelling spirit in another. The inner voice for an adult, my words are always kind and helpful. The inner voice for a child, my words are always kind and helpful. The alphabetical family for the letter O is the second letter in the family of communication. Communication through respectful speech, also called sensitive truth-telling. This is speech that heals, never harms. It is important to distinguish between speaking the truth and sharing cold facts. Sensitive speaking honors the listener, conveys the truth, and never judges, for it speaks to the indwelling spirit of the listener. This attitude is reinforced by the habit of inscribing the letter O in a clockwise direction, always in a clockwise direction. The letter O drawn in a counterclockwise direction tends to encourage fact-sharing with little concern for how the listener will interpret it. It can be quite hurtful. By drawing your O's clockwise and uncluttered, respectful speaking becomes a habit. The gemstone is the emerald. Throughout history, the emerald has been accepted as the stone of spirit-sourced communication and founded in wisdom. In the Old Testament is the third of 12 stones on the breastplate of the high priest, representing wisdom. Thoth the Atlantean, known later as Hermes or Hermes Trismegistus in the Egyptian Greek tradition, and Mercury in Rome, were all acknowledged as pristine communicators. They all are represented by this stone. The emerald tablet of Hermes is well known. If heartfelt communication is a major issue in your life, do not wear a polished emerald. Wear one that is raw, straight from the earth, with its energy intact. The animal for the letter O is the hawk. In traditions far and wide, the hawk is known as a messenger, the bringer of truth. There are many species of hawks. The one that represents the letter O most clearly is the red-tailed hawk, Buteo geminicensis, for its acute vision and soaring capabilities. The guardian protector is Amitio, the angel of truth. Amitio is the guardian of sensitive truth-telling. His responsibility is to guide you to speak the truth at all times, to remember to speak into the indwelling spirit of another person, never to speak in order to prove yourself right or make another person look bad or appear foolish. Amitio guides not only your speaking, but because your writing is a graphic reflection of your thought habits, he particularly guides your pen when you write. His focus is writing, thinking, and speaking. As you approach the letter O in a word, slow down and ask Amitio to guide your pen. He will both guide you and also refine your thoughts in a positive, uplifted way. The long-hidden secret he has held for all these years is this: inscribe each letter O in a clockwise direction. Each time, every time, no exceptions. It's difficult to do only because it's unfamiliar. Just as non-injurious speaking is unfamiliar when we want to be right or look good. One of Amitio's many gifts is that as you move your pen, he allows you to release self-righteousness and to speak the truth kindly and sincerely. What freedom! Namaste.